morning, friends. I'm S. Anand, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, SM College for Arts, Science and Commerce, Chitradurga. Now, in this video, I would like to discuss about evil effects of drug addiction. In last video, I was discussing about futures and reasons for the drug addiction. But now, I will discuss about evil effects of drug addiction. That first one, mental and physical imbalance. The drug has narcotic contents. It will sometime create extraordinary feelings, another time create alternative feelings because there is no control capacity of firm feelings or behavior. The senses functioning alternative work. Example, I can see the music or I can hear the picture, etc. He lost his all power. If he did not take a drug, the body parts will vibrate. Second one, family disorganization. The drug effect will touch to his family relationship. The drug addict unnecessarily create conflict in family with parents or wife and husband. Day by day, the family members kick out from house or parents went out far away from addict. In fact, remaining family members also become care of football. And next one, social disorganization. The society expected good behavior from human beings. Sometimes the human beings has bad behavior, especially the drug addict create a nuisance in a street or public places. Automatically the addict person neglected by publics and he became alone or the position create a gap between society and addict. Our next one, obstacle to economic development. The youngsters working in industry and gaining a more money, but he spend money to drug and gambling, other activities. After some days, lost his job, become unemployed, but he cannot far away from drug because that is as a part of his life. So he suffered from development way. These are giving a suitable messages of drug addicts. And next one, support to antisocial activities. When he become unemployed, then automatically he committed to illegal activities for the leading of life or getting a drug like stolen, robbery, smuggling, kidnapping, cheating to other, etc. If one time commit to work, there is no way for their escape from antisocial activities. And next one, support to incurable diseases. The drug, if prescribed by the doctor, has a medicine dose. Otherwise, that is a mental disease. The drug addict surrender to brain disorder, nerves weakness, lost dilation power, breathing problem, etc. So the drug addict creates very dangerous and incurable diseases. And next one, obstacle to national integration. Youths are future citizens of our nation. They are architecture of nation building, but unnecessary the strength of youth lost in illegal activities like these addicts. So the national integration will day by day decreasing. We are living under the peaceful national atmosphere. If we use select addicts way, the national atmosphere will destroy suddenly. So we take serious action about control of addiction. Our next one, lost job opportunities. Those who were addicted to drug, they lost his job and also opportunities because his senses and body parts are not controlled. He has imbalance activities and he cannot complete the work in office or any work at working place. Automatically the employer terminate him from job. Next, he can't expect any type of working job in his society. And next one, loss of money and dignity. Every individual living in society for the dignity and money. An individual expect respectable dignity and he earning money under the respectable way, but the huge earning money under the illegal activities and he spend more money for the legal activities. The youngster spends all earning for the drug, smoking, drinking and other activities. What about his dependents, parents, son and daughter position? Day by day his family come to state for the begging for leading life. Then what about his dignity? And next one, obstacle to development personality. The society or world has more achieved contributions, inventions, discoveries, explanations, explorations in all fields. Today we are living under the scientific contents, facilities, communications, transportations, and all gifts comes from the youth. Every human being has its own talent in his own way. The skill will always support to development of country or society. But today, the young man spend his whole life in smoking, drinking, drug, and other activities. The society expect a good contributions from youth, but who are moving under the waste way. So many soldiers, artists, engineers, doctors, farmers, leaders, social reformers, planners is among the youth, but the all contributions of the youth swallowed by the addictions. And next one, imbalance future life of youth. The world more opportunity to us if we use the opportunities in a good way, that is support to development. Otherwise we will destroy. But the youth don't know anything about future life. There is no particular decision about future life because they lost all hopes in his life under the drug or other narcotics. And next one, like epidemic to others. Man become man among men only. Man is social animal. He cannot living alone, but he selected anti-social activities. How he becomes a good human being. The drug addict can't living alone. He attracted friends, neighbors, colleagues, comrades. They are also take part in addicted activities. This is like epidemic disease transferred from one person to another. And next one, burden to government. The government service unnecessary waste in improvement of rural poor youths, unemployed peoples. One side the government services effectively success, at the same time arise these some problems like drug smuggling, robbery, stolen drinking, so and so. The governments introduce so many programs for controlling this. Some problems unnecessary. These are spoiled the so many expenses of national economy. And last one, headache to officers and administrators. The problem create a controversy among the officials because the top level officer enforced by politicians, leaders or reformers. In fact, he is forced on lower officers for the controlling the problem. But the youth cannot understand about that problem. The media often exclusively telecast the incidents in channel. Other hand, the government spent a large size amount for the eradication of problem. But the task did not reach the goal. Thank you. And next we will discussion about remedies of drug addiction in the next video.